80 animals.
Dinosaur.
Hi again. Welcome back to 80 Animals. How are you today? I'm very good. Today we'll learn the last of the 80 animals. The last one is the dinosaur. Take a look at the picture. This is a dinosaur. Now, let's begin by looking at some pictures.
Disappear. If something disappears, we can't see it any longer. Now you see a rabbit in the hat. But if the magician tricks it, you can't see the rabbit in the hat. We say the rabbit disappears. Asteroid. An asteroid is a small rock. It moves very fast in space. The picture shows an asteroid. If it comes to the Earth will be seriously damaged. Fossil. A fossil is the remains of an animal or plant. The animals or plants were on the Earth a very, very long time ago. The picture shows a fossil of a fish. The fish lived a very long time ago.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Disappear. Asteroid. Fossil.
It's time to read a story. After you read, you'll take a quiz.
A long, long time ago, a lot of dinosaurs lived on the Earth. Some dinosaurs ate grass or leaves, while others ate animals or other dinosaurs. Some dinosaurs were taller than 25 meters, and others were shorter than 1 meter. Some dinosaurs flew in the sky, and some lived in the sea. Some people think the dinosaurs disappeared due to cold weather. Some people think the dinosaurs disappeared due to asteroids hitting the Earth. People look for their fossils to study them. You can see their fossils in a museum. Would you like to see a real dinosaur? It would be the most fearless animal in the world.
Are some dinosaurs alive? Yes. No. What do some people think is the cause for the disappearance of dinosaurs? Cold weather. Human hunters. What is true about dinosaurs? All dinosaurs were large. Some dinosaurs flew in the sky.
Did you like the class? Great! I did too. That's all for now. Goodbye.